In the previous video, I explained how to set the WhatsApp background to the default. It will be the same settings as the original WhatsApp, but I received a comment from someone wanting to add their own picture. So let's explain this method together today. You will go to WhatsApp, then enter the settings, then go to chats, then go to the default chat theme, and finally choose the wallpaper option. After that, choose Select from Photos. If you choose the picture you like, of course, you can choose the color of your chat this way. Then you can select the brightness of the background, the intensity of the colors. You can make it all light or you can control it yourself. After that, you press set and the background you chose will appear in your chat. There is also a new option to create using artificial intelligence. You click on it. You write a description of the image you want. For example, I want to create a birthday picture in pink with some aqua balloons. Click the check mark and wait a few seconds until the background is created. Of course, several options will appear for you and you choose the image that suits you. Then you can press edit if you have any changes, removals, or additions. Then press the check mark. And similarly, you can choose the color of your text background, and you can enlarge or reduce the background, and you can increase or decrease its brightness. Press on Set Theme Selection, and thus your custom created theme will be available in your chats.